Natiklo sa Pampanga ang 4 na Koreanong nagpapatakbo umano ng illegal online gambling hub. 2 sa kanila, wanted at may Interpol red notice pa. Nakatutok si Oscar Oida.
Kuha ito ng salakay na matauhan ng National Bureau of Investigation Pampanga District Office ang isang kondominium sa Barangay Santa Cruz, Porac, Pampanga nitong Pebrero. Napag-alaman kasing ginagamit ang lugar bilang illegal online gambling hub. Naaresto sa operasyon ang 4 na Korean nationals.
Ito yung mga remnants na sinasabi namin ng POGO operations. No? Some of them would resort to illegal online gambling kasi nandyan pa yung facility, nandyan yung technology, and some of them would still have their employees, Filipino or other foreign nationals.
Kanina, iniharap sa media ang 2 sa mga inarestong Korean na nagpapatakbo ng illegal gambling. Wanted din sila sa South Korea at may Interpol red notice.
So they are doing their scamming activities here but targeting Korean nationals in their home country. Kaya nagka-warrant sila doon. But they are here also to do illegal online gambling.
Itinanggi ng mga suspect ang maparatang. Narito lang daw sila bilang turista.
They were here since the recorded entry was 2017 and the last departure recorded in Korea was 2019. So they kept coming back at ito ang ginagawa nila, yung voice phishing.
Sa ngayon, nakadetain ang 2 Koreano sa tanggapan ng NBI sa Pampanga at nahaharap sa kasong illegal online gambling in relation to Cybercrime Prevention Act. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Oscar Oida, nakatutok, 24 oras.